Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can view Google Maps Live, so let's get right into it. Now, Google Maps Live, you only have one way of doing so, and that is using Live View, which is only used for walking directions, and that is sadly only available on the mobile version, since of course you're gonna need a mobile platform if you're gonna use directions, as an example, a GPS. Now, to use this, what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna select, of course, the directions, make sure your location is currently on, or rather it doesn't need to be. You just need to select which destination you want. So I'll select directions to here, and I'll select a different destination as the start point, and it'll show me directions. And let's just imagine this is my phone at the moment. You're going to need to select walking and click start, or directions and then start. And once you're in start, you're going to have the option under directions to choose live view. Live view is going to prompt you to take pictures of your surroundings, so like buildings, signs, and anything that can identify you. It'll place you on the map, and then it'll give you instructions on how to get to your destination of choice. And once you do, you can turn off your phone, put it in your pocket, and whenever you need to make a turn or any update happens, it'll vibrate and or give you a notification, and you'll be able to check and make your moves like that, so that you don't have to keep looking at your phone, and that you're more focused on the road ahead of you. And that is pretty much all there is to it. It is really as simple as that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.